Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve the very famous Leetcode problems to sum. So in this problem, it is given an array of integer nums and an integer target, return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to target. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution, and you may also use the same element twice. Okay, so here we are given an array and the target value. So we need to return two elements such that their sum is equal to the value target. Here in this array, the two the element 2 and 7 sums up to target is equals to 9. So we just need to return their indices 0 and 1. Similarly, in this example also, the 4 comma 6 4 comma 2 sorry 2 comma 4 is equals to 6. So we'll just return the indices of these numbers. So brute force approach will be, we will use two nested for loop to check every possible pair of number in the given array to see if we add up to the target sum. If they add up to the target sum, then return the indices. Let's just do do it. We'll use for loop int I is equals to 0, I less than nums dot size, I plus plus for int j is equals to, j is always be greater than I. In every possible iteration, j must be greater than 1 I. Okay, so j is less than nums dot size, j plus plus. The condition we will have to use is just which is given here. We will use this condition. All right, so we will use nums of I, sorry, plus nums of j equals to target. If it is equal, then we will return the vector. We are using curly braces just to return the element as vector. So we will return I, index I and j. If we do not find any such pair, then we will return a vector of -1, -1. Alright, then just run it. Yeah, it's working now. Let me submit it. Yeah, it's submitted now. The approach that I have told is a brute force approach, and its complexity is clearly big of n square. Now we have to improve the complexity. In order to improve the complexity, we must use map. How we can use map? Let's just see. Okay, confirm. Let me just take the example here. Example array. This in every in the map, every value is stored that which is a complement of the target value. For example, we will iterate over the array, and we will check if 2 if target -2 is present in array or not. If it is present, then we will return the indices of the value. Otherwise we will store it. Just we need to we need we need this only for now. Let me just explain on the way. We will just I guess declare an unordered map. All right. So just declare unordered unordered map int comma int empty, and then we will use for loop for the iteration of the array I equals to 0, I less than nums dot size I plus plus. All right. uh, we will check the complement of the current number exists in the map or not. uh, we will we will use if mp dot find target. We are using target here, this target, and minus nums of I. At every index we will check target minus nums of I. If that value is present in the map, then we will return it, otherwise we will store it. Okay, so we will write map dot sorry map dot end if it is not present. If it is not present in the map, then we will map the value nums of I equals to I, else we will return it. We have to return vector, so we are using curly braces. So what we have to return is map, the value of the map target minus I, sorry, nums of I. Yeah, comma I. If there is no such value, then we will return a vector of -1 comma -1. Let me just check. Oh, just forget to unordered spelling mistake. Unordered, yes. It's working. Let me just submit it. Yes, it's working. Now let me just explain you once again. Suppose we have an array. Suppose we have an array this 2, 7, 11, 15. A target of 9. A target is equals to 9. We want to find two numbers in nums that add up to target. Initially, the unordered map is empty. We start iterating through the array from the left to right. From the left to right. Okay. For the first element, nums of 0. Nums of 0, that is 2. We check if the complement target. We check the complement. Here the complement means target minus nums of 0. If it is present in the map, then we will return it. If it is not present, then we will map into the array in the map. Alright. Then the complexity of this approach is big O of n, because map uses an ordered map uses a hash table to store a key value pair, while map uses a self-arranging tree. Hence, it is a big O of n square. So big O of n time complexity. Okay. Thank you for watching.